Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to generate auto caption in your video by using CapCut. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your CapCut application. Select new project. Select your video where you want to generate auto caption. Then add it. So right now there have an option text. You just need to select this option at first. Right now there have an option auto caption. Select this, and right now here you can see a lot of effect or template. You can say template. You can add this and just um, click on generate. So right now it's generating auto caption. So this is the way for generate auto caption in your video. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.